Good morning and hello, garden fans. Have you ever wondered how you can harvest cauliflower? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive into when you should harvest them and how to harvest them. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to harvest your cauliflower when they're anywhere from 7 to 12 inches across. Any earlier and they're not ready, and any larger, you may risk for them bolting. And every day you should come out and check the size of them. And so we're going to go ahead and check ours before we do the harvest. So when you get ready to harvest your cauliflower, you want to ensure that you have some pruning shears like this or a sharp knife, and you want to cut down around the base of the cauliflower, and you want to make sure that you leave some of the limbs on so that it helps to keep it from drying out. And I'm going to take a few of these leaves off, like here. And here is my first ever cauliflower. Now, another way you can tell that your cauliflower is close to being ready to harvest is that, depending on the variety, the leaves themselves will start to open up. And here in my raised bed, my cauliflower leaves that were once tightly wrapped have started to open. And here, this will probably be the next one that I harvest. Now, you can see that it isn't really, it's not as pearly white as the other three that we harvested, and it has some brown spots on it. That's because it's been exposed. Now, there's nothing the matter, and this is perfectly good to eat, but the longer it stays like this, the more of those discolorations are going to come up. So YouTube, these are my first ever cauliflower, and they're nice size. And what's the best thing about them is that I grew them myself, and I don't have to worry about going to the store and picking over scraps. These I grew myself, and if you have ever grown something that you've never been able to grow before and you finally do it, then you know the excitement and the feeling that I have. When I was in South Florida, Zone 10, 10A, I could never get these to grow at all. Not once. But I finally got them right, and I'm excited about it. Now, in that bed over there, we have, I want to say, maybe 7, 8 more that I need to harvest. in the comment section, let me know how you guys process your cauliflower. I'm looking at making a pickling, trying to pickle or brine these with some other vegetables like carrots, pepperoncinis, celery, and just brine these, and we'll eat them some that way. Some of them we're going to eat raw with blue cheese or ranch dressing, and then some of them I'm probably going to roast. But I can't begin to tell you how excited I am that I grew my first cauliflower. If you go back and watch some of my videos, you could see the frustration that I showed when my plants didn't do what I wanted them to do. But it's all part of the process, all part of the learning process. And eventually, if you keep at it, you will get it right. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food now, including cauliflower, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.